Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Sunday, and it's open house day. I am in Delaware at 30515 Peaceful Lane, and here we are. So I just wanted to show you around a little bit. This beautiful house. It was built in 2017, 4,100 square feet. Beautiful kitchen. I mean, you can't really ask for a much bigger kitchen than that, right? First floor master, I'll walk you through there real quick. Dining room. And we got our first floor master. Beautiful tray ceilings. Great view. Master closet. Beautiful bathroom.